How many times have you been fooled by a celebrity endorsement of a product, or better yet, a celebrity making a product? Here's why Kim Kardashian is actually a marketing genius. I'm trying to save you money so that you can just save it. Be yourself, have fun with the money. I also try the products on my patients. I try them on my friends and family. And I look at the clinical data from the brand themselves. How many times have you been fooled by a celebrity endorsement of a product, or better yet, a celebrity making a product? Probably a lot. So let's go do a deep dive here, because Kim Kardashian came out with this little face wrap thing, which you and I, hopefully you, also know, that does not work for what it says it works, because there's no such thing as facial shapewear. I'm from Tripathi. I'm a board certified facial plastic surgeon in the Bay Area. And I want to talk to you about these scams that these celebrities are trying to sell you, because I'm trying to save you money so that you can just save it. Be yourself, have fun with the money. Okay, first let's talk about Kim. It's Kimmy here. So here's the face wrap. It has collagen yarns in it. No idea what that means. And it's supposed to be a compression garment that you wear, and it has a little room for your ears to stick out to shape your face and jawline. Now, here's why Kim Kardashian is actually a marketing genius. She, for many years, convinced you that her makeup was making her look good, when what she was doing was fillers and then putting makeup on top, right? Same thing with Kylie Jenner. She convinced you that her lip kit was what gave you big lips. She was doing filler. This is the same thing. This is the same, out of the same playbook. Kris Kardashian gets or Kris Jenner, I should say, gets a facelift, and now Kim Kardashian is selling a face wear item. It's no coincidence. These types of things don't work. I've done TikToks on this. Look at the data. You don't even need to look at the data. Compressing a muscle will not make it tighter. If it did, we would all just be wearing compression garments for our biceps and for everything else on our face. What really is the crux of facial laxity is skin, muscle, fat, ligaments, volume loss, collagen loss. None of that's gonna really make a huge difference with compression. You might build a little bit. You might help with lymphatic drainage, and it's amazing to wear after a facelift. But before that, let's be real. No, it just doesn't work. So I want you to just be intentional with the things that you purchase. There are some great celebrity endorsed products. For example, Rhode by Hailey Bieber. It's actually a pretty nice skincare line. She uses it herself. She talks quite a bit about it. It has a lot of really nice PR and press, and it's quite simple. So I actually think it's a nice brand. But there are other ones that are clearly like this one, clearly just a money grab. You save your money for things that actually work. You might have seen me endorse products like skincare products, and I do this every so often. But here's the kicker. I am a facial plastic surgeon, so I do know how to vet products specifically in terms of data that's presented to me about the product. I not only try these products on myself, I make sure that the ingredients are sound, but I also try the products on my patients. I try them on my friends and family. And I look at the clinical data from the brand themselves. And so there are many brands that I've chosen to not work with because I don't feel that their products are clinically sound. But honestly, if Kim Kardashian is paid $2 million to do a full body scan, she's gonna do the full body scan and she's gonna report back, because $2 million is, maybe to her it's not a lot, but it's $2 million. So the compression garment, let me just tell you, not a thing. The other thing that celebrities will often endorse, and you'll see, are products that are not really in line with their brand in general. So Rihanna, Fenty Beauty, it's very much in line with who she is as a person. It has a brand, it has a mission. These are products that fit all skin types, all skin tones, etc. Very different than somebody coming out with the popcorn line when they're an influencer, right? It doesn't really fit with their actual brand. Another reason why you should save your money. Okay, the best way to kind of vet out whether something is too good to be true is just that. If something seems too good to be true, a skincare product that does everything, a shapewear that shapes your face, $40 tape to get rid of all your wrinkles, those things obviously are not going to work, right? Other than sunscreen, which almost sort of does it all, the other products can't do them all. So if something seems way too good to be true, it just obviously is. And when in doubt, talk to an expert. Sometimes these things are covered by your insurance, making an appointment with a dermatologist and asking about certain things related or unrelated to your actual skin condition, you can ask these additional questions. If you're trying to have surgery for a particular area, ask whether these treatments are going to work. Now, of course, you might think that your surgeon is biased, but the fact is that we know the anatomy. That's really what it comes down to. Kim Kardashian clearly does not. If you like this type of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more. See you guys next time.